Hi ma'am, Mochi Buns. Hi po, Mochi Buns po. Alam ma'am, may sugar free din kami ma'am ah. May mga feeling na siya inside. Ay, sorry. Thank you. Would you like to touch it ma'am? Have an idea of the texture. Thank you ma'am. Mochi Buns. Hi ma'am, Mochi Buns po. May palaman na yan mama. Hi ma'am, Mochi Buns. Pwede mo siya mawakan mama para may idea kayo sa texture niya ma'am. Maybe you've seen it sa TikTok ma'am or Instagram. Pero may feeling kasi siya ma'am eh.
May feeling.
Oh, may feeling siya ma'am. I-introduce ko na lang ma'am. Bali may mga feeling na siya inside. And then yung dough nila, pero pares na soft po siya. No? Shop ma'am. You can touch the product ma'am so have an idea of the texture. Can I let you touch the product? You might have seen it on TikTok ma'am or Instagram. I do the daily posting. Yeah. If you want to try ma'am, I do have samples as well ma'am. Normally our best seller is this one, the strawberry and chocolate. If you had to try one, get those two. If you want a classic Filipino flavor, it's ube. Gcash can. What would you like, ma'am? Sige lang, ma'am. You can also do like Maya, any QR code, bank transfer. This one, 150 for a pair. If you get two pairs, it's 250 only. Hi, ma'am. Mochi Buns. Hi, sir. Hi, ma'am. Mochi Buns. Oh, sayang. Wala ko bili na si ma'am. Kulang yata. Pero, para matapos na yung video ko. Ito. Yung fruits lang yung nagpapatamis. Well, of course, the Oreo is sweet eh, di ba? If you want, don't get the Oreo one. So, ayan, brownies yan. Siyempre, yan, sweet na yan, ma'am. You want the brownies na lang, ma'am? 150 to, ma'am. Eh. Pag dalawa, 250 kasi, ma'am. Eh. Pero any item naman, ma'am. Would you like to get one more? Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much, ha. I-plastic ko na lang to, ma'am. Plastic. Yes, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yeah, yung karamihan dyan, ma'am, ako. Thank you so much. Have a nice day, ma'am. Sabihan ko na lang, nag-CR po yata eh. Sige, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Ayun, tapos na. Ay, hello, sir. Mochi ba?